The CEO of the cryptocurrency exchange FTX, Sam Bankman, has been arrested in New York for allegedly committing financial fraud. FTX, known for being the world's wealthiest person under 30, was accused of a multi-billion-dollar class action lawsuit. The CEO's story highlights the rise of crypto as a means to make money quickly, often out of greed or desperation. FTX, which was among the top political donors, has been accused of a web of lies spun over the years. The CEO's actions have sparked a debate about the future of crypto, with some arguing that it is akin to winning the lottery and becoming the next crypto billionaire. The CEO's actions have sparked a debate about the true nature of crypto and the potential for it to become a global phenomenon. At just 30 years old, Sam, a tech nerd and the wealthiest person under 30, has an estimated net worth of $26 billion. He is known for his disheveled hair, loose-fitting t-shirts and shorts, often seen sleeping on beanbags in his office. Sam's image, built on the FTX logo, has made him a symbol of a billionaire dedicated to giving away his wealth. He is known for his generosity and is not particularly excited about diving into luxury. Sam's goal is to do as much good as possible for the world, and he believes that his legacy will serve as proof to the world that he truly cares about the world. In May 2022, Mark Cohodes publicly broadcasted his views on FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried on Twitter. Cohodes was a short seller in the finance world, making money only a few months after a company's stock was successful. He asked Bloomberg to investigate Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX. In 2013, William MacAskill, associate professor of philosophy at the University of Oxford, co-founded the Effective Altruism movement. MacAskill pledged to donate everything earned to organizations he believed would make the world a better place. One strategy he used was earning to give, which meant maximizing one's wealth to give away more to charitable causes. Sam Bankman-Fried, a 24-year-old physics undergraduate at MIT, was introduced to effective altruism and decided to pursue a high-paying career and donate a substantial amount of his income to charitable causes. In 2021, Sam visited Sequoia Capital, a venture capital firm that invested in Apple, Google, and Instagram, to discuss FTX. FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange, was initially conceived by Sam Bankman, a crypto genius and nerd who played video games. Sequoia Capital, a major institutional investor, invested nearly $1 billion in FTX. FTX's unique selling point was its ethical behavior, which was a selling point for investors. FTX's image was a beacon of altruism, and it was a platform that attracted big names like TSM, the popular esports organization, and even Gisele Bündchen. In 2021, FTX was seen as a fountain of wealth for those who invested in the crypto industry. TSM, the popular esports organization, signed a 19-year deal for $135 million with FTX. FTX also gained mainstream name recognition with TSM, the popular esports organization, and TSM FTX. Tom Brady, a former quarterback, is now ambassador for FTX and has given equity in the company. Gisele Bündchen, Brady's wife, and the entire Major League Baseball team are also part of FTX's presence. Despite the success of FTX, some investors and influencers, such as Kevin O'Leary, were skeptical of its true potential. Sam decided to quit FTX due to his risk-taking appetite and the potential for other opportunities. Sam Benjamin, a 22-year-old effective altruist with a love for mathematics, quit his high-paying job to pursue other opportunities. He was offered a job at the center of Effective Altruism, a company for the EA movement, where he befriended Tara McCauley, the head of operations. Sam noticed the cryptocurrency market entering a mania in 2017, and he and his colleague Tara McCauley started Alameda Research, a cryptocurrency trade-in firm. Alameda's true purpose was to invest in crypto-related assets to make a profit. Sam noticed that the price of Bitcoin generally remained the same across all exchanges, except for some countries in Asia selling Bitcoin for thousands of dollars, more than what it was on other exchanges. However, there were many obstacles in the way, such as capital controls, financial regulation, and anti-money laundering laws. Sam, with the help of a Japanese member of the EA community, was able to skirt around these obstacles and make a profit. Sam Bankman-Fried, co-founder of FTX, secured funding from altruists and Alameda Research, aiming to buy Bitcoin on U.S. exchanges. In 2021, FTX was granted regulatory approval in the Bahamas. Sam became the sixth largest U.S. political donor in the 2 years leading up to the midterm elections, with an estimated $40 million in donations. Other FTX executives had also contributed to the company, with political donations associated with STPF and FTX executives exceeding $70 million by the end of 2022. During April, Sam's alleged reckless actions, including poor trading decisions, led to growing concern over his actions and the potential for his crypto empire to come out on top. This event, known internally as the April fiasco, exposed Sam's side of his character and the challenges he faced in the crypto industry. Sam, a prominent figure in the crypto industry, faced criticism for his reckless behavior and lack of representation. His team, including Gary Wang, Caroline Ellison, and Andy Krogan, were young and inexperienced, leading to a pitch deck that claimed they were the best crypto trading firm in the United States. However, this pitch deck was not successful, as Sam had been working on a secret project. In May 2019, Sam launched FTX, a brand new cryptocurrency exchange, with Gary Wang as the majority owner. The Super Bowl of February 2022 marked a significant moment for the crypto space, with many crypto-related companies advertising during the event. These companies had grown significantly rich over the last few years, raising money from both institutional and regular investors. FTX's token coin, FTT, was a success, with a total supply of 350 million, most owned by Alameda and FTX. By August, the price of FTT rose to 1.81 cents, making FTX and Alameda's supply of FTT tokens worth millions of dollars. However, Sam realized that the very man who invested money into his company would deal the final blow to his empire. He created FTT, a piece of the puzzle that would become instrumental in the years to come, allowing anyone to start their own crypto. The collapse of Terra Luna, a crypto exchange, further fueled speculation about the value of FTT tokens. The story of the week was the collapse of Terra Luna, which led to the collapse of FTX and Alameda's empire. The cryptocurrency space experienced a significant downturn in the last few months, with Terra Luna and Terra falling from $99 to $72. This event led to the collapse of major crypto companies like Digit, Fund Free Eros Capital, and Voyager Digital filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Sam Bankman-Fried, CEO of FTX, was trying to rescue some of these companies that were going bankrupt by either giving them a line of credit or buying them out. Sam Bankman-Fried, known as the J.P. Morgan of the cryptocurrency industry, built a stable FTX empire, raising $32 billion in early 2022. He solidified ownership by buying back Binance's stake in Alameda Research, but resigned in October 2021. Sam Bankman, founder of Binance, announced plans to sell all FTT tokens that Binance held in FTX a year prior. This led to panic and fear among Binance's followers, who were worried about the value of their shares. Caroline Ellison asked CZ to sell his FTT tokens directly to Alameda Research for $22, preventing a massive crash in the price of FTX. Sam, concerned about FTX liquidity, signed a letter of intent to buy rival X.com, sparking investigations by SEC and theft over potential mishandling of customer funds. The largest crypto exchange in the world, Finance, is highly unlikely to go through with its proposed acquisition of struggling rival FTX. After less than a day, what just happened was happening. In summary, Sam Bankman's announcement of plans to sell all FTT tokens to Binance and FTX led to panic and fear among Binance's followers. The situation between FTX and Alameda Research has led to a showdown between the two major cryptocurrency exchanges, with Binance facing a liquidity crunch and FTX facing a potential acquisition. The cryptocurrency world is in turmoil as FTX, once seen as a savior to the crypto space, filed for bankruptcy in just 4 days. Sam Fried, the CEO of FTX, has been accused of fraud and mismanagement, with allegations of taking customer deposits and lending them to Alameda Research. The company has also been accused of taking billions of dollars worth of loans. FTX's bankruptcy filings reveal a complete failure of corporate controls and a lack of trustworthy financial information. The New York Times reported that Sam Fried is still active and staying in the Bahamas, seemingly facing no consequences for his actions. The New York Times is platforming what may be the biggest financial criminal of the last decade, and he is not running. The situation has caused panic and confusion among the crypto community, with celebrities like Tom Brady, Gisele Bündchen, Larry David, Naomi Osaka, and Steph Curry accused in class action lawsuits. Sam Bankman-Fried, former FTX founder, was arrested in the Bahamas after allegations of a massive fraud that diverted billions of dollars from the trading platform's customer funds for his personal benefit and to help grow his crypto empire. The SEC filed charges against Sam, while the CFTC sued him for violations of federal commodities laws. The charges include committing and conspiracy to commit wire fraud, fraud on customers and lenders, securities fraud, money laundering, and violation of campaign finance laws. Caroline Ellison, former CEO of Alameda Research, and Gary Wang, co-founder of FTX, have both pled guilty to the charges. The situation has raised questions about the integrity of FTX and its founders, who were once considered the crown king of crypto. Sam Bankman, once a member of the Inner Circle and Fried's empire, has been freed from jail in the Bahamas and is set to be extradited to the United States for trial in October 2023. The collapse of FTX exposed a failure on many fronts, with real losses coming from those who didn't have millions to lose. One of the biggest catalysts for FTX's collapse was Changpeng Zhao, owner of Binance Finance, which has struggled with regulators and allegations of allowing money laundering through its platform. Binance is currently under investigation by the US Justice Department. So guys, this is all for today's video. I hope you guys find it interesting and informative at the same time. Do like and share the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel DarkSpexmedia. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned with us. Goodbye, and see you soon in the next video.